In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photo collage in Canva. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to canva.com. If you're new to Canva, the free version is perfect for this demo, and the interface works the same on Mac, Windows, or Chromebook, so you can follow along easily. Once you're in, go to the search bar at the top and type either photo collage or cutout photo template. Photo collage brings up classic grid and mosaic layouts, while cutout photo template features designs with built-in frames and shapes that your image can snap into. Use the filters to pick an orientation or limit results to free templates if you prefer. This helps narrow down your options quickly so you can focus on design. Next, choose a template that already includes a photo placeholder. You'll recognize placeholders by the image icon or checkered frames. Pick something that matches your image's mood and orientation so you spend less time adjusting later. Click it to open the editor. Templates open with preset sizes, so you don't need to worry about dimensions right now. Just focus on the layout that feels right. Now it's time to bring in your photo. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then Upload Files, and select your picture from your computer. You can also drag and drop directly onto Canva. For best results, use a high-resolution JPG or PNG so the final download looks crisp and professional. With the upload complete, drag your photo from the Uploads panel into the placeholder in the design. When the frame highlights, release the mouse, and your photo will automatically fit. If the crop isn't quite right, double-click the image to reposition, zoom in or out, and nudge it until the subject sits exactly where you want it. If it doesn't snap, make sure you're dropping onto the frame rather than an empty area of the canvas. To refresh the look, replace the background. Click anywhere on the background area, then choose a new background from photos on the left or from your own uploads. You can also use a solid color if you want something clean and minimal. Try soft textures or subtle patterns, and adjust brightness, blur, or transparency to help your subject stand out and tie the layout together. When you're happy with the design, it's time to export. Go to the top right, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for a sharp, versatile image. If you see options like size or quality, pick Higher for print and Standard for web. If available, transparent background is helpful for cutouts. Click Download and wait a moment while Canva prepares your file. That's it. Your polished image is ready to share or post anywhere.